Yo, what's up? What's good, y'all? Hey, today my sister is going to be singing the national anthem at the Kings game, and it is Easter, if you haven't gotten a hint by my ears. So I'm going to take you guys along with us and let you see, like, you know, her talent. It's like she's very talented, and you will see. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted as usual, and let me take you on this ride. But first, let me tell you what I'm wearing. So I have on my Ivy Park shirt with my champion overalls and with my Skate 8 high top Vans and my bunny ears and my Nike hat, and I'm walking my vintage shades because I motherfucking can. You know I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, you know, all faithful few of you. Alright guys, I'll hit you back at the stadium. Say hi, Tasia.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yes, we are bilingual in this thing. But anyway, I will get back to you guys once I get to the stadium. Bye.
Man, I got it right. My hand in my bag. You know I'm popping.
What's good, y'all? What's good? We finally made it. It's cold as fuck out here, and I don't know why I wasn't thinking like I'm going to an ice skating rink. Don't you think it's gonna be cold in there, Tina? You know, that's what my conscience would have said if it would have kicked in on time, but it didn't. And now I'm gonna be freezing. I'm gonna be all up under my sister. She just don't know I got plans for her. But we made it to the Honda Center, y'all. It's time to see this game. First hockey game ever. Like I'm like, no, I don't know. No, I don't do hockey, but this is the first time, so you know, we'll see what it does. And I'm interested, you know, I always come to support my sister. She's a minister of music at our church, and you know, wherever she goes, I come and help, or I come and just cheer her on because I'm just that great of a sister, you know. So anyway, this is my first time vlogging when I'm with my family. So let me introduce you guys. Okay, this is Tasia. She's the artist, minister of music, many whistles under her belt.
Yeah.
This is my sister Melanie. She has tantrums and attitude problems, and she fights, and she knows she beats down people. So try me. All right, guys. So once we get in there, I'm going to videotape the whole shebang, not the game, just my sister singing, so I can let you hear her beautiful voice. Okay? All right, bye.
So have you two come in here, and then we'll come out and I'll bring them back up, and then at 4:30 you guys can hop on in and doors will be open.
Y'all, my heart is broken right now because I thought I was my sister's favorite, but I'm not. She chose her husband over me, y'all. She chose her husband. It was like we only got 2 VIP passes, and I was like, oh, I'm about to be up in there. I was like, girl, I'm about to vlog this for you and everything. And she was like, oh, me and my husband can go. You just left me hanging. Oh man. And I'm gonna be cold. I was trying to prepare my body for the weather in there and stuff, and now it's just, I gotta stand outside like a regular pedestrian. Why me, Lord? Why me? Oh man, I guess I'll just tune back into you guys in the back of the arena, somewhere at the top, you know, where the left out people sit. Why, Tasia? Why? Okay, I got myself together now. I'm back. Stronger than ever. Stronger than ever. Anyway, this is my big sister Melanie, and the reason why I tune back in is because, of course, I want y'all to see my beautiful ears, but oh yeah, and my outfit on fleek though. I feel like dancing, but you know, I don't want to, you know, make my sister look crazy, even though she had me looking crazy. But 2 wrongs don't make a right, so I'm gonna be right today. Okay. All right. Anyway, Melanie, tell us what you're wearing, darling.
I'm wearing a shirt that says, I prefer the drummer.
Ooh.
And a jacket from Torrid. and my hair from the swamp meet.
Which one though? The Slauson or the Alameda?
It's the Slauson, and they have good deals. This hair right here, as you see, hair pack 1B. It is $8.99 per pack, and it comes with 18 hair pieces. So as you see, this lovely ensemble, it came out really nice. And who should you go and hit up? Her name is Keisha Godbow.
Oh, yep, that's my cousin. That's the plug right there. She will hook your hair up. Like, I'm telling you, like, I'm not in my nose either, so don't yell up in my face. But she will hook your hair up. Like, and I'm not just saying that because she's my cousin, but she for real, like, has skill. She also will talk you to your grave. Like, if your hair gonna take 2 hours, you gonna be there
the whole day.
The whole damn day. Just having conversation. You gonna know about everything that's going on because she ain't gonna leave you out. Okay? So, yes. Be prepared.
To be
I'm definitely cutting that. Anyway. So we're just sitting and waiting. Yeah.
patiently waiting for them. Patiently waiting for them.
Okay. Yeah, I'm freezing. I just don't know what I was thinking because I'm cold. Like, we didn't even go in there yet, and I'm just cold. Y'all see that? All of that, that cold air is like streaming from the inside to the freaking hallway. So, I don't know. This is my brother-in-law, T.
Hello, everybody.
And he's the one driving like he's on Tokyo Drift.
Yep.
I had to pray for my life, okay?
Tasia Woods.
Security, VIP.
VIP.
But yes, so when Tasia gets done with that jersey though, I'm gonna need that because I'm cold.
Hey y'all.
You ready? You ready to light it up, girl?
I am ready.
She is so talented, you guys. Just wait and see this surprise we got for y'all. Okay. All right. Well, I'm gonna tune into you guys as soon as you see me again. We will see me. You'll see her singing the national anthem.
This is around the world. Please welcome the March Field Composite Squadron 45 Color Guard with the presentation of our nation's colors. And now, please welcome, from the Firm Foundation Gospel Choir, Tasia Woods with the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous height o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. Zoom.
Thank you, Tasia, and thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Now,
Told y'all my sister was lit, y'all. Even though she didn't give me that VIP pass, I'm fast because she killed it. Okay, yes, she did. Then she smacked it.
She smacked it.
Damn, the game started. They fucking with me. They playing. Hey! What? It's all on the shoulders.
Let's go.
How are you feeling after you just sang the national anthem and smashed it? Oh, very good. The game was awesome. This is gonna be our last video for the rest of the night. Oh, I found my fellow buddies. Hey, lit.
The bunnies.
Yeah, I know, the bunny squad. But yeah, so Tasia did an awesome job. It was a great Easter evening. I spent it with my family and I enjoyed it, even though I didn't get VIP access, but you know what I'm saying. It'll always be a next time. So stay tuned. I'll be in Mississippi in like, I want to say 2 weeks. And that video is going to be a turn up as any. Yeah. So you already know it's going to be Black Beach weekend and we are going to be in the building. And once again, peace. I'm out. Hey, hey, hey. All right, we out, y'all. See you in Mississippi.